I joined the designer bottle sa Sun Station and this is the result. But before that, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung process ko. Like, look how messy it is. It's actually last minute creativity. I thought kasi na hindi ako sasali. Pero may cash prize. So, sayang. But anyway, 10 PM na kasi nung nakauwi ako. And bumili na rin ako ng mga tools na gagamitin since wala nga akong mga ganito sa bahay. I think I started by 11 PM to 3 AM. So, that's why skip nyo na yung eye bags ko this time. I'm also struggling kasi hindi pa ako nakakapag-paint sa gantong bottle. Also, some of the details na gusto ko ilagay is hindi ko talaga makuha. I tried to draw it on the paper pero hindi ko alam kung katulad talaga ito nung nasa picture. So, ito na yung last part. Nagalagay na ako dyan ng parang beads. I'm going to show you the results na in 3, 2, 1, and go! And yes, we won the first place. Yay!